The Fresh Bag, a pioneering addition to the vacuum-insulated bag or box. So this is a Fresh Bag tailored for modern on-the-go lifestyles and demanding food logistics. The performance of Fresh Bag is that at ambient temperature of plus 35 degrees Celsius, the internal temperature was maintained below 10 degrees Celsius within 5 hours and within 6.5 hours with refrigerant by considering the food was pre-chilled to 2 degrees Celsius. VIBB fresh bags come in various sizes, capacities, and weights to suit different needs. They are perfect for food delivery services, whether it's drivers, couriers, or even autonomous delivery robots, ensuring meals arrive fresh and warm. They are also ideal for outdoor picnics on sunny days or for keeping your groceries fresh after a gym session, for example. And perhaps most satisfyingly, they let you enjoy warm food after hiking all the way to the top of the mountain.